Hey future nurses! Welcome back to another simple nursing mini lesson. If you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by all the technology, monitors, and endless charting during clinicals, trust me, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down clinical informatics nursing. It might sound like a complicated tech term, but it's actually a crucial part of your daily nursing practice that keeps patients safe and saves you time. Before we dive in, if you want to pass with confidence and simplify your studies, be sure to check out the Simple Nursing app for more visual breakdowns and practice questions. So, what exactly is clinical informatics nursing? According to the American Nurses Association, it's the integration of nursing science, computer science, and information science to manage and communicate data. Basically, it's how we use technology to deliver better, safer patient care. To understand how this works, you need to know the DIKW framework. It's a simple four-step process that turns numbers into nursing actions. Data. These are raw numbers. For example, a blood pressure reading of 140/90. Information. This adds context. The patient's blood pressure is 140/90, and their baseline is usually much lower. Knowledge. This is where your nursing brain kicks in. You know that this elevated blood pressure means the patient is hypertensive. Wisdom. This is the final action. You use this knowledge to administer prescribed blood pressure medication, monitor the patient, and hold off on any medications that might increase it further. Why does this matter for you at the bedside? It prevents medical errors. Technology catches things human eyes might miss. It improves patient safety by ensuring all healthcare providers have access to the exact same up-to-date information. It reduces charting fatigue. When systems are designed well by informatics nurses, you spend less time clicking boxes and more time focusing on your patients. You'll use clinical informatics every single shift. Let's look at 3 real-world applications. Barcode medication. Administration. Scanning a patient's wristband and their medication ensures the right patient gets the right drug at the right time. Smart IV pumps. These pumps have built-in safety guardrails that stop you from accidentally infusing a lethal dose of a medication. Sepsis. Alerts. The electronic health record automatically scans vital signs and lab results. If it notices a dangerous trend, it triggers an alert so you can act immediately. Let's do a quick recap to make sure this sticks. Clinical informatics blends nursing, computers, and information to improve care. Remember the DIKW framework: data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. Tools like barcode scanners, smart pumps, and electronic alerts are all clinical informatics in action. You've got this, future nurse. Mastering these concepts will help you become a safer, more efficient nurse. If you want to master nursing concepts and cut your study time in half, click the link in the description to join Simple Nursing today. You'll get access to thousands of interactive videos, printable study guides, and NCLX-style practice questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a classmate. I'll see you in the next lesson.